Tulip Siddiq could be in a lot more trouble than she could ever imagine. A court in Bangladesh, in Dhaka, has ordered that an Interpol red notice be issued on her. If accurate, that would escalate matters dramatically. But there are, of course, as always, important caveats. Now, according to the report, Dhaka Metropolitan Senior Special Judge Sabir Faiz issued the red notice order following a report from the Bangladeshi Anti-Corruption Commission. The ACC alleges corruption relating to property acquisitions. It also reportedly claims that Siddiq is destroying evidence connected to the case. Siddiq, of course, has consistently denied all allegations. She disputes the accusations in full, but is not prepared to travel to Bangladesh to present her case. Now, the reports say that she has been convicted in absentia. Convictions in absentia, however, are not automatically recognised internationally. And an Interpol red notice is not an arrest warrant in and of itself. It is a request to law enforcement worldwide to locate and provisionally arrest an individual pending possible extradition. There are currently thousands of live red notices globally. Each case is assessed under the relative domestic laws. Any extradition decision in the UK would ultimately involve the courts and the Home Office. The Justice Secretary would have a formal role in the process, and political statements about resisting extradition do not override legal procedures, and the threshold is one of legal basis, not rhetorical. And at this stage, the key questions are simple. Has Interpol formally issued the red notice? Will UK authorities treat the request as valid? How would British courts assess the fairness of the underlying proceedings? Those are all legal tests, not political ones. For now, though, this remains a developing situation. Allegations are made, denials issued, reports circulating. But if a red notice has indeed been issued, the implications are very serious. We, as signatories to Interpol, would have to take note of it and would have to act upon it. Now, until confirmed through official channels, it remains at this stage merely a reported claim, and in cases like this, precision matters. So, who knows? Starmer has previously said, though, he will resist any and all calls to extradite Siddiq because presumably he was so closely aligned with her and her family in his rise to power, and anything that's close to him that could be sort of very serious fraud like this would reflect badly on him. People would be asking the questions. Where did your funding come? Who put you up to it? Where did you get this? Why did you go on holiday with them? Etc., etc. And he doesn't want that to happen. So, who knows? Let me know your thoughts. Thanks very much. Hit subscribe and I will speak to you later. Bye.